The career's more at stake when you in your prime. Fuck that paper, baby, my face on the dotted line. I've been flying out of town for some peace of mind. It's like always, they just want a peace of mind. I've been focused on the future, never on right now. But I'm sipping, I can boot you, either pink or brown. I'm the one that introduced you to the you right now. Oh my God, that be babe. Well, alright, tryna fight in the night. Come alive, ain't it sneak? Ain't it?
Pop my shit, get it live, hold up. Yeah, you try to come around back the shit, they popping your tires, hold up. Shit, 100 round, feeling like I'm on TV, playing both sides of the whole world. Shot out, I'm fucking your friends. I've been going crazy, shot, I've been in the deep end. She not in the scene, she just tryna go. I just been icing my hoes. I just been dripping my hoes. Just holding out a loud shot. I got these hoes on their toes. I put the bitch on the road. She tryna fuck on the O. I got this hoe with me. She tryna show me something. I got flows for days. These niggas ain't on nothing. Me and my bro like they ain't know we on one. We in the spot going crazy until the sun up. You worried about that hoe done chose up. Pistol solid in the kitchen, can't get the cold up. Fuck these niggas acting like they know it. Double O kick the shit we told up. Switch out the bed, these niggas get rolled up. Everything hit, everything.
G-Locks for the team, we ain't sharing lean. I do 50K, I ain't say cause it was easy. Pretty girl, where you stay? Might as well be with me. AMG to S, codeine cowboy in the flesh. Caught up like the rest, but they look up to me. Sincere, but it go left. Tryna burn a bridge that's left. Treat her like the one, try to turn me to a two. I don't keep receipts, say that shit, she know it's true. Call me while I'm asleep, cry baby girl, I'm stuck on you. Zombie boy, hey, you up on E. Ignore my calls while you in the stew. Act funny when you in enemy. Hanging in my circle too. Miss that hump, raising hell. Break a hoe like Memphis Sand. Bentley's talking to myself. Gazi say sending help. Niggas trying to bring me down. I really wanna send a belt. I paid 300 for a line, cause they look like they needed help. How you think I'm talking down when I'm the one that needed help? Hit me boy, but I gotta drive it. He know his backseat melt. Lit too fast, need a deep breath. Lit too fast, can't even help. G-Locks for the team, we ain't sharing lean. Run through 50K, I ain't say cause it was easy. Pretty girl, where you stay? Might as well be with me. AMG to S, codeine cowboy in the flesh. Caught up like the rest, but they look up to me. Sincere, but it go left. Tryna burn a bridge that's left. Treat her like the one, try to turn you to a two. I don't keep receipts, say that shit, she know it's true. I don't keep receipts, say that shit, she know it's true.
Yeah. 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 Who the jiggy nigga with the gold links? Got me reminiscing about my old days. 3-6 sucker nigga dick, no foreplay. All day, booming out the trap through the hallway. Tell me what you niggas know about Auntie saying turn it down, or she finna call the cops. We been plotting on the op, she the one who got the drop. Just a free quick fix of the and it's okay. They gon' take me back to my old ways. I was tryna chill, pop the sales ever since I got a deal. Kick it with my model chick, sick Chris. Fuck niggas wanna diss, now I gotta let them know it's really drill. Lord pretty Flacco Jordy. Dirty fuck niggas, how you been? You brushing 9 miles, niggas talk 9 every now and then. On the south, give me style 9 times out of 10. Flacco, Jordy, Flacco, Jordy, Flacco, Jordy, Flacco, Jordy. I ain't never looking for no handouts. Broke ass niggas never helping with their hands out. Find out where the fuck nigga live that we camp out. Screaming fuck the world, never catch me with my pants down. Always been a stand up guy, rather stand out. Grab Simmons, stand swim edition with my bands out. I'm the trillest one to do it since pimp, nigga hands down. If a nigga put his hands on me, that's a man down. Trick what? Pimps up, hoes down. Oh now, slow down. See they running with my old style. Grove out, gold smell, you old now. Thugging with my old style. It's a shame how they low down. Dirty like Adidas on my sneaker feature. Trapping through the speaker, Pete the beeper, brinker. Turning off phones just to reach him, gotta beep him. I'm a lord, motherfucker, better greet him if you see him. Lord, pretty Flacco Jordy. Dirty fuck niggas, how you been? You brushing 9 miles, niggas talk 9 every now and then. On the south, give me style 9 times out of 10. It was Flacco, Jordy, Flacco, Jordy, Flacco, Jordy, Flacco, Jordy.
Yeah, whoa, shit. Shame. Okay. You know, I was just talking to I was talking to Thug, he said, Uzi, I am proud of you. I said, Slime, I'm proud of you. He said, that's a rolly kid. I said, this is a new rolly kid. I am a Splistonian. Look how big this rolly is. Uzi, I am proud of you. I said, Slime, I'm proud of you. Uzi, I am proud of you. I said, Slime, I'm proud of you. He said, that's a rolly kid. I said, this is a new rolly kid. I am a Splistonian. Look how big this rolly is. Uzi, I am proud of you. Rock. Star yellow bitch like corn. Went to and my A turned orange. Pull up new lamb, no insurance. Baby foreign. Overseas money when a nigga torn. She suck it up and the eyes start pouring. Let me strap my leg out like George. Whoa, let's go. It's no way that I'm finding you. She move like a prostitute. She ain't got a lot to lose. No, at all. Yes, my rolly face is green. Slimy rolly face is red. Got no rolly face is blue. Let's go. For sure. I could never make that girl my hoe. Cause she play with her nose. Put diamonds on my wrist, my hands, my neck, my nose. I ran out of space, put it on my ankle, put it on my toes. Oh yeah, put it on your bitch, put it on my bro. Uzi, I am proud of you. I said, Slime, I'm proud of you. He said, that's a rolly kid. I said, this is a new rolly kid. I am a Splistonian. Look how big this rolly is. Uzi, I am proud of you. I said, Slime, I'm proud of you. Uzi, I am proud of you. I said, Slime, I'm proud of you. He said, that's a rolly kid. I said, this is a new rolly kid. I am a Splistonian. Look how big this rolly is. Uzi, I am.
I'd rather get high, you not worth my time. Hey, I ceiling, hey, I pull lines. Everybody not get geeked up, I'm rolling right now. So if I fuck with you, yeah, please don't blow my high. 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 Nah. Geek, up on geekin'. I just went on a shopping spree with my bitch from my game last weekend. I make her play like every day, these niggas ain't got no defense. I get high, I count so late. I snort, I smoke, I eat it. Told your bitch pull her underlay just for me to beat it. Now she gon' renegade, I turned her to a demon. Lil' shawty just want my baby, lil' shawty want my semen. I made her pop up plan B cause her plan A was to keep it. This hoe tweaking, yeah, this bitch tweaking. I'm high everywhere I go, even in a meeting. They ask me why my eyes red, I told them that I'm sleeping. But I got drugs, no plug, pop pills, perk up, perk 10 in my cup. I said walk on to no green. If this bitch blow my high one more time, I'ma make a scene. I smoke weed all day, hey, and I'm off a beat. Please don't blow my high, hey, please don't pull my tree. Please don't kill my vibe, hey, please don't fuck with me. I hop in my ride, hey, real look my seat. ceiling. Hey, I pull lines. Everybody not get geeked up. I'm rolling right now. So if I fuck with you, yeah, please don't blow my heart. 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 No.
Ever since I was a kid, I've been legit. If I was you, I would cut up my wrist. Exotic all over her body. She just wanna roll and I don't mind it. Ever since I was a kid, I've been legit. No, you should let her go. She wanna be it. Double O tatted on her body. It don't matter what they say, I'm timeless. City on fire when I'm coming home. Fill up the sky, I fill up the dome. They'll play it one day. It's a hell of a show, but it's gonna hurt, cause we did it first. Feel like skateboard beat, BBC boys on the creep. Feel like it's 03, Neptune drum with a beam. She hit me flipping a beam. She wanna fuck with the team. She fell in love with the green. She fell in love with the scene. Oh yeah, her man quiet, not a peep. Broke his heart, PTSD. Hold his chest, let it breathe, let it breathe. Nigga scheming, I got a priest, he got a cross. Get out of line, send him to God. I shed a tear, pray for her laws, oh yeah. Ever since I was a kid, I've been legit. If I was you, I would cut on my wrist. Exotic all over her body. She just wanna roll and I don't mind it. Ever since I was a G, I've been legit. Now you should let her go. She wanna be it. Oh no, double O tatted on her body. It don't matter what they say, I'm timeless, 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 yeah, you came back and you fell. Second place, can't be in my face, oh now. Deep pockets, stapling gum like a Chanel. Fat wallet, little bitch, you know I got hair. I'm the patty, give it to bitch and there. Wanna grip me some hunts, baby, I'm for real. Side to side, I was in Riverdale. Off Molly, that two-tone pill. Rich nigga with all these fucking girls. He next, I put him on the mirror. She's next, I told her she my girl. Why you like that? Oh, you like that? Oh, you like that? Oh, you like that? Yeah. Oh, you like that? Oh, you like that? Oh, you like that? Oh. Put him on the news side. 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 Put him on the news. 2024 music.
Put him on the news, son. I'm evil like Lucy, son. A whole lot of bitches be hating on me cause I got all the buttons. Had a fall back with my last bitch cause she was just playing with my little time. I'm traveling the world at the Pope, bringing the praises right to my son. Shawty, you gotta be canceled, you make me feel some tight way. And no, I can't be canceled cause you feel some tight way. I'm in the leg, 100 leg. I'ma keep killing these hoes, I'm fucking on my man. Beat them my car like a brain, sipping on Zombie. Bust the hold of my braids, then I go hungry. I'm cooking up like my 10 bitches on me. I told her the glove don't fit, I'm feeling like OJ. The rest of my paper, and I leave with OJ. 2 folks in the sack, got me feeling like Kobe. RP. All my boys, they strapped up, don't try shit. Welcome to the party, bitch, we all Nazis. How you like that? What you say, what? How you like that? How you like that? Put him on the news, son. Put him on the news, ha. Put him on the news, son. Well, put him on the news, ha. Put him on the news, son. Well, put him on the news, ha. Put him on the news, son. Well, put him on the news, ha. Put him on the news, son. Hello, put him on the news, guy. Ha. Put him on the news, ha. Put him on the news, ha. Put him in there, ha.
All the homies crashing, lost the full tax months. All the homies crushing on some full-time shit. All the homies crushing on some full-time. Eating all the products on some full-time shit.
Kick slow flow, jitsu type shit. Real like my dreadlocks, I'm on board type shit. Cook a nigga up like food type shit. Push it up with my dogs, cook me down type shit. She gripping all of my balls, I got to move type shit. Tell me they cover my flaws, I ain't had to brand new type shit. Hell around jump with the best, hella like a new type shit. All of my jeans say I think I'm over type shit. Put the whole down with the game, now she think she my manager type shit. Shot that shit, was the man I will forever have a boss bitch. The baby said, hold me plain, I'm on some make it type shit. Anyone thought for the teeth, I still ain't smiling for this bitch. This house that she made in me, she on that IG model shit. Trust me, sleeping, yeah, so how the fuck am I having shit? This could be dumb in the bitch, she know her body type shit. All I want is ass until I let her type shit. Send it up, like, real, send it up, make up. Send right hit my yeah, type shit. I put some dice like that, that's why on my night shit. What the fuck y'all taking my bodies for? I just type shit. I don't hang with rats, that's some new type shit. Get a nigga whacked on the news type shit. Sippin', drinking, activists on some screw type shit. Just a sad hoe, running through the crew type shit. Got a bad bitch at home, voodoo type shit. Take down Mega Stallions by the crew type shit. Text high level my shirt, Rasta type shit. Money all in my dream, Rasta type shit. About to take a hold of Turks, Shell Monster type shit. She don't speak no English, but in the top type shit. She fuck me around her mouth cause I'm a boss type shit.
New York City, please go easy on me tonight. New York City, please go easy on this heart.
Yeah, look, nigga, this is my shit. Welcome to the city of God. Pop was the king of New York. Now I'm the nigga in charge. Only the drills, the city is sauce. Found out the ops when you pick them apart. I give them my time, so I give them my heart. If the city love me, then they're really a star.
New York City, please go easy on me tonight. New York City, please go easy on this heart of mine. I'm losing my lover to the arms of another. New York City, please go easy on me.
Don't think I'm playing, nigga, I ain't playing when I'm telling me in the lobby. Fishbowl, 6 shots, and blunts, sitting back. All of my niggas be into that. Get the clapping niggas, get the slapping niggas, get the clipping niggas, get the switching niggas, smacking niggas, 7-11. I cannot work no 95, cause I'm trapping 24/7. I gotta get to the cash, I gotta get to the breach. Send a nigga up to heaven, reach, and I smoke that grade A. For the nigga J.A. Don't think I'm playing, nigga, I ain't playing, nigga. Telling me in the lobby. Well, I shoot a nigga probably. Bitch, I'm a top shot tuck. Bad mind what? Talk for what? Shoot send shots. Shoot Ben Bloods.
New York City, please go easy on me tonight. New York City, please go easy on this heart of mine. I'm losing my lover to the arms of another. New York City, please go easy on me.
Put my glasses on, I can't see these bitches. I'm in the twilight zone, nowhere near these niggas. I'm in the twilight zone, nowhere near these niggas. They can't understand me, I'm talking hard with this. They can't understand me, I'm talking hard with this. I feel like both ways, I feel like both ways. I got my whole game on some other shit. I done changed my swag. I had to change my whole swag, I'm on some other shit. I got me a new bitch, she on other shit. And if that bitch go out bad, she don't punish me. What the fuck I got on my youth? That I run this shit.
What's going on, chat? NFP Friday. I storm, we took it. We went viral on them, they looking. It's a Sunday service in Brooklyn. It's a city that come with the lights. I'm with the drillers that come with the night. They ain't do 4 years of college, but they'll do 25 to life. We make money every night. Never too big of a price. After I buy the Chicago boys, I'ma go and link with Mike. And if I let him have my wife, niggas should thank me. With this Balenciaga.
The mic's not bugging. The music's just loud. My ears are ringing though. I put headphones on for the intro. Max volume. Yo, chat. NFP Friday today, chat. Hope you guys are awake and ready because full part Friday. We're going for 300 trades today. Nah, I'm playing, but chat. It's NFP Friday, so. Whoa, what is this? Peace. That shit crazy. Yo, chat. So, NFP Friday today, chat. You know what that means? It means there's gonna be a lot of volume today. So, for those who are unaware of what NFP is, usually one of like, I'll say like top 3 folders. I'll to be honest rank FOMC as my favorite folder. Obviously, I think everyone's favorite is FOMC. Number 2 would probably be let's see. FOMC, CPI, and then NFP for me, to be honest. I used to rank NFP a lot higher, but over the years, NFP has gone slower and slower. So, but yeah, chat, 8:30 NFP. So that is gonna be, is not 100% crispy. No, that's good, right? It's gotta be good. Hello? Hold on. There's only one way to check. Let me see something real quick. Let me see. Hello, mic check. Hello. Okay, that's good. Alright, that's good. Yo, I just heard a ring. Alright, so, yes, better. I didn't change anything. That's how I know you're lying. Okay, so, chat, 8:30 NFP news. And then that's it for the day. So let's finish off the week in the bang. You know, let's finish off the week in the bang. I think for the week we're up like 5%. So let's see how the rest of the week plays out. But we only got a day left. We have one major folder, and then that'll be our day. So let's see what's going on here. Let's check the charts. See, it's 7:30. Damn, it really ranged yesterday, huh? Yeah, it really ranged a lot yesterday. Let's see. New York session yesterday, what came up, came back down late session. You had a major move or a decent move between 10 and 11. Price came down. By noon, it pulled back, and then by 2 p.m. or late New York, started to push up, and you had to move up. And so far, you moved up, and now you're pulling back. So, wow, this 1 hour count is pulling back too. Okay, how much is this range here? 4-pip range. Chat, I'm not gonna lie to you. The mic is worse. Hold on. Let's see. How about now? Is that better? I don't know what it is though, to be honest with you. It's good. It's good, right? It's good. Last check. That's fuzzy. Yeah, I don't know. Not too sure. There's background white noise. Oh, you could have just told me that. Here, that's fixed now. It's just the gain. The gain was too low. Or the threshold, my bad. It's good now. Yeah, we're good now. Alright. Alright, cool. I'm glad you guys told me that. Otherwise, you guys would be here and shit. Okay, so where's my zoom? Let's do this analysis, chat. I like to start again with the higher time frame. The higher time frame is always the time frame you want to start with, and then you want to obviously make your way down. So Let's start off with the, what time frame is this? The monthly. Okay, let's take a look at the monthly and see what it has to offer us. It looks like the monthly. Okay, so same thing as yesterday. I'm pretty sure you haven't really been doing much. And also, yo, text me, yo, if my screen does that thing yesterday again. Okay. All right. So let me just have this up. All right. So if you look at the monthly chat, it looks like we are currently in this range here, right? This is the range here, and you can see clear as day that this was some type of rejection here, which means that that is now your official resistance on price. So if that's your official resistance, right, you need to figure out where your support is. So right now, I will say, like, this is the closest thing you have to support. I wouldn't say that's a confirmation yet. Again, as we all know, a confirmation is a closure at support. So a closure at support will indicate bullish candle closure closing, or would mean that this candle will close bullish right here. So you have 21 days left, right? You always want to check to see how many days in the monthly you have. Over here, I'll show you the exact day and time. But if you close bullish, right, let's say you close bullish this month and it looks like this, then next month's candle will do what? Right, you see how you'll be establishing a stronger support because you actually have an official closure. Next month's candle likely is to create a bottom wick and then make its way up, right? But before you get like a confirmation of that, you still gotta wait for the closure. Otherwise, any given point this month, this candle could still flip bearish. There's no like confirmation indicating that this candle isn't gonna flip bearish yet, right? Especially if you have a bearish candle here. So that's why I'm saying, like, this is more of a minor support, because if it were to flip bearish, then likely you would fill the wick down, which means that you'll break that quote unquote support, right? And you'll make your way down towards these areas to the left. Right, but this is still a possibility. I've seen months where you moved up the entire month, and in the last 2 days you reversed the entire move. So you spent 28 days going up, and then you spent 2 days going down. That's happened plenty of times. So you want to be aware of that, and you want to understand what really is happening on a small time frame, because usually a small time frame, like the daily, the 4 hour, like time frames like that, will indicate the start of the shift in that market, directional push, wherever direction it goes, right? So we are just overall just looking at like the monthly here and just trying to figure out like what is sort of the idea. We have no idea what's happening yet. I still don't know. But look, you can come down to the weekly now. You have more information, right? So this is where like I like to pay attention to the weekly, because today's Friday. So it's the last day of the weekly chat. So that's something to consider as well when you're trading today, right? It's Friday, last day of the week. You have 9 hours left. So if you spent majority of the week already creating a bottom wick, right? And right now you are currently just doing this. So you spent majority of the week creating a bottom wick, and then you continue to push up, right? So far for the weekly, we are pretty bullish. You have like a resistance right here on price. Resistance right here. So if that's your resistance with no closure above the range yet, we mentioned yesterday that yes, our weekly target is here, right? This is our weekly target area, which I don't want to say it officially tapped yet, but it came very close. Like it came like maybe like 5 pips away probably. We had this exact level yesterday. If you're on yesterday's stream, you would have seen the weekly analysis, and then you would have seen the way it looks today. Yesterday we said how there's a high chance that the weekly makes its way up, taps into this yellow box here, right here, and then likely could close respecting. Because why respecting? Because you haven't closed above yet, right? And you still got a whole 9 hours left. Who knows? NFP might actually push us down today on gold. So if that happens, then you're closing back into the ranges, which means that you'll now be between this pink ranger. You'll now be between here and here again, right? So that's a possibility. Obviously, price could still make its way up, but NFP today would be that will give you like that confirmation where price is headed, right? So like for us today, I'm pretty sure, I could be wrong, but I'm pretty sure we're gonna get trades after NFP, not prior to NFP. And usually for NFP, whatever direction that you tend to drive in after NFP is usually the direction for the day. So you might get a whipsaw here and there the first 5 minutes of the candle, 10 minutes, and then after like 8:40, 8:55, that's when you'll start to move and decide, or the markets will decide where it wants to go, and then it'll follow that direction for usually the majority of the day, and that's when you want to hop on your trades. So that's what we're gonna be focusing on today, right? So this is just, again, still trying to see where the higher time frame is headed. As we drop to the 1530, we'll get our entries, right? But this is just what's currently happening on the weekly, so just be aware of that. If price does end up closing above to NFP pushes price up, then that's amazing as well, right? It doesn't really matter where price goes because we're just following price action. We're just following current price data, like the trend, right? So if you close above, then next week, where are you going? You're probably gonna go up towards top of the range here. Why? Because you close above. Price has never closed above here before. Never closed above here. Never closed above here, right? All these rejections here, all these rejections here. I know you had a closure above here, but this didn't close. I mean, yeah, this did close, but it filled the range. It filled the target. So like you can see, it has pushed up in the past, right? And also here as well, like this one did push up in the past, but it struggled here a bit first. So what we're trying to figure out here is like, is price gonna struggle at this pink zone here, or is it gonna just continue to push straight through, right? And Tail will give you that answer. But this is a decision zone. This is a zone that you do have to be very aware of, because anything can happen in this zone here today. Okay, so that's the weekly chat. Dropping down to the daily. The daily, you have back to back bullish candle closures, and it looks like you are currently, let's see what's happening here. So what my eyes are showing me is like you have some type of support levels being formed here. So I'm just scanning from left to right in this area because that's the range that we're in, right? You don't gotta focus up here. You don't gotta focus down here. My focus here is just gonna be like whatever's in this box here. So within this box here, I have levels right here that I see prices rejected off of. I got levels right here, right? So that's my support, that's my resistance. I got more supports down here. I got more resistance up here. Got that, got this, got that. I got more support down here. I got more resistance up here. So let's go ahead and find the average area where your resistance could be. I'm gonna put it as here, to be honest. So I'm gonna put it as there. I'm gonna put this line right here. And then for my support, I'm gonna say right around here. So now we just delete all of this, and you can see this is the range we're in, right? You can see that what happened yesterday then. Yesterday you closed above the range, right? I'm gonna put this as closing above the most recent structure. I'm gonna go off of this mirror on price right here. This one right here. I know this one right here, you can see it closed above and then it broke back into the range. But I think you already had your pullback here. Like you had your pullback here already at that area. So us closing above the range here, there's still a high potential that you could still continue to mirror this move up here to the left, up towards these areas here. Obviously, if the closure is here, then you close below, which means that any given point, wait, let me just see something. Is there more data? No, that's it. If this is the resistance, right, then that's fine as well. You can say that if you were to flip bearish on the daily today, so if you were to march up your resistance, you see how price didn't close above, it closed below it. If you were to any given point flip bearish today on gold, then that daily candle will flip bearish and you'll have that weekly pullback that closes respecting that resistance. So now things are starting to click a little more. Right, so you know what, I might just move this as my resistance, even though I'm still more on the bullish side, but I'm just gonna leave this here. So I'm gonna leave this here. I'm gonna leave this here as my support. And then look at this chart. So you see how you flip bearish at 2669.514. If you were to flip bearish here, where's your next nearest support? Right after. Where is it gonna be? I'm gonna put that right here, right at 2662. So I'm gonna use this line instead and mark that up here. So if you were to flip bearish on the daily today, then you're not just gonna flip bearish and push up. You're gonna flip bearish and drive down to the bottom of the range, which means that you look like this. So what is this zone here, this yellow line here on the weekly? The weekly closes respecting that zone. Remember earlier we mentioned that purple zone chat on the weekly right here, right? So if you were to flip bearish on the daily you will likely make your way down towards that weekly resistance that is going to be respected on price. So that's why today is a very important day for next week's outlook and the week after's outlook, because this gives you a sense of what can happen next week, right? You close back into the range, you know next week might be a slow start to the week, and then later on in the week you might continue to trend again, right? You close above, you know next week, beginning of the week, you're gonna continue to push up very heavy, and then throughout the whole week you'll push up heavy probably, right? So you know how to play your cards next week. So like you want to really pay attention to these little things here because it really matters. So you have that on a weekly, you have that on a daily, and let's see. So we had our resistance marked up where? We had our resistance marked up here. All right. And then your next support marked up right around here. So the 4-hour candle, let's see, you have an hour and 11 minutes left. It looks like currently you are pushing up. You had a nice bottom wick, and what's happening here? What is this? Okay. So there's some information here. Okay, let me just erase these lines here. So you have the 4-hour resistance here, chat. That's where you closed above, right? Or above here, sorry. That's where you close above. And then your very next minor resistance, I'm going to put that as just this. This for now. I'm focused on these two levels. So that's the very next minor level. So maybe we can put this line up here and say, okay, if the smaller time frame aligns and it gives you bullish confirmations, then you know your next target is going to be 26.84.923 if you do continue up bullish. However, if you don't get those confirmations, then you can also say you can also say maybe this 4-hour candle here respected this level to the left. So this 4-hour candle isn't like too clear to me, to be honest. Like the structure is bullish, but I do see that like there's levels that prices struggled here at. And I do have another resistance all the way up here at 26.84, but this 82 level is pretty actually important here, pretty crucial. So just be aware of this. So let me hover down to the 1 and see what else we got going on here. But that is your support at 73. Okay, cool. So this 1-hour candle started off the candle pushing down the first, I think, 40 minutes here, and then a 60 pip push down, and now you're pulling back up. So is it gonna flip and drive within 10 minutes? I'll say more so on the unlikely side. You likely are gonna flip bullish, but I don't know about driving after flipping bullish. Could be wrong, but if you were to flip bullish your chat on the 1-hour candle, what would it be? Right, think about it. You only got 9 minutes into the candle left. If you were to flip bullish here on this candle, you'd be looking like this, right? You'd be looking like that with no top wick. So if that does happen within 9 minutes here, you have the leg candle in the 1-hour time frame. The 4-hour candle, you know, they tapped that major resistance zone. That daily candle closed respecting resistance. That weekly candle could close respecting the ranges. So it shows us signs that we could actually may up ending coming down today, if this were to happen, especially 8 a.m., right? Leg candle, no top wick. That doesn't mean that you can't continue to push up if this were to close like this. It definitely can, but same thing as yesterday's candle and the 4-hour candle, right? Remember yesterday's candle, chat? The leg candle? I don't know if it was the 4 or the 1, but you're not just gonna like next candle come down. You're gonna come up probably for a top wick. It actually could fill those ranges on the 4-hour candle, and then all of a sudden flip bearish, and this could be your 1-hour candle at 8 a.m. Right? So be aware of this. Be aware of this, because if we understand that, and that's how the candle closes. It closes bullish with no top wick. Then 8 a.m., 8:30, my bad. NFP comes out. You wait for the spike up. You don't get in buys yet. You maybe add an extra 3rd, 4th, 5th confirmation just in case, because you're aware of this 1-hour candle that could pull back. You then wait for price to flip bearish from the 1, and then dash your sells down off NFP candle at 8:31, 8:32, a minute or two at the news. All right, so things are starting to make more sense now. We're starting to get more ideas, but this obviously could only happen if you close on no top wick and you close bullish on the 1. Again, that's in 8 minutes. All right, so we still got a lot of waiting to do here, but let's see. So that's the 1 hour. Let's go down to the small time frame, see what else we got here. So 30. What do I got for the 30? Okay, I'm marking this up as my resistance here. I think that was 80. No, that's not 84. That is 84 is here. 84 was your daily, right? No, your 4 hour time frame. Yeah, 84 going off of this right here. This is what I'm going off of. This is what I'm looking in the mirror right now. 84. So that's 84 right there, which means that that's my next target. I'm trying to see what that is on the small time frame. What I could see 84 being as well is I could see it just being like advantage point, or what am I saying? Not advantage point. An area where price may grab liquidity at as well, right? Because you can see there's like barely any top wicks here. Right, for price to come down, this is still obviously possible for price to just flip bearish and come down after a top wick. But looking at the way things are looking right now, I would assume that if price were to make its way down, especially that steep, especially down if it comes towards like 64 again, it's likely going to create a top wick which breaks into these areas here, which should be something like this. Right, so you have this range fill that you could grab technically. If there wasn't news, I would be hunting for positions right now actually towards that 84 level, 85 level, but I don't want to be stuck in NFP here. What time is it? 8:53. Yeah, I'd rather wait for news here and we'll give you a much like better opportunity today. But even the 1 hour candle, no top wick as well. You're looking for those top wicks to be grabbed right within the next 1 hour candle. We just don't know if it's going to be the beginning of the 1 hour candle or if it's going to be after NFP, right? Or during NFP. But yeah, we have that level there, chat. 2684. We want to see what happens there. And your support is going to be down here at like 2675. All right. So these are the ranges you're in that I'm going to leave here. We can't really do much yet, but at least we know what's kind of happening on price. All right, so yeah, these are the ranges we're in. Probably gonna look for positions at 830, 831, 832. Small chance positions before, but I highly doubt it, to be honest. And then maybe more positions after NFP as well with a directional trend, depending on how much volume we have today. And I think today they're expecting average hourly earning, let's see, actual greater is good for currency. They're expecting negative numbers, negative, right? 164 below 227, and then actual less is good, so neutral. So negative, negative, and neutral / negative. All right. Numbers come on negative, then they're expecting gold to drive up then. But that's just what they're expecting. So let's see. You have, what time is it? 7:55? You have like 35 minutes, chat. 35 minutes for potential trades, okay? So you gotta be a little patient. I know it's been slow the last 24 hours with the markets. But I'm pretty sure NFP should pick it up again to finish the week off. I'm pretty sure. Especially if yesterday was a bank holiday. Yo, Marcos, congrats, bro. Yeah, everyone say congrats to Marcos here in the chat for getting engaged. I don't know if you guys even know who Marcos is anymore though. But Marcos is an OG. OG. So big congrats to him. Oh, we know? Yeah, true that. Arsenal. No, a lot more people know Marcos more than that. You know what time it is? Can I cook some beats in 30 minutes? Yo, let's do that. Let's pull up the FL Studio for 30 minutes. No, we'll do it after maybe. I need to cook a beat. I need to get one official beat on stream at least. At least. What time frame is this? This is the 5. This is the 15. This is the 30. This is the 1 hour. This is the 4. Yeah. Best leverage for XU on personal account. I've always used 1 to 500. If you know what you're risking, I mean, if you tend to be a higher risker, like you tend to risk 20%, 30% per trade, then yeah, use the higher leverages. Use the max leverages you can possibly use. But if you're risking 2% per trade, 5% per trade, you can use like a 1 in 100. I'm pretty sure still. And that would force you to not over leverage. I know brokers that have like 1 to 1,000 leverage. I'll never forget the day when this is when I was working still, but there's Asian session news. I had an evening shift and I just got paid. It was a Thursday. And you had news that came out for the Australian dollar or something like that during Asian session. And then throughout the whole, like I knew I was getting paid that day. So throughout the whole morning, I spent looking for 1 to 1,000 leverage brokers. And I was like, yo, are you guys able to get this set up today? I need it for today, ASAP. And then they set it up for me. And then, fuck, I used to have the video too. They set it up for me, and then I went full port. Like I went I think it was like a $300 account, $350 account. And I was popping like, I want to say it was like a 1 lot, I'm pretty sure. On like a $100 account with the 1,000 leverage. And then the account went to negatives. The account ended up going to negatives like negative $800 from pot to 300. And that was the first time I've seen the account negative. Yeah, they have like higher leverages, but I would not suggest it, man. Based off of my own experience. Should we cook a beat for NFP? You know where that's gonna lead to, Wade. Will you be using buy stops and sell stops? Potentially. We could be. Potentially. Potentially, we could be. Potentially. What's your biggest trade in pips? Pretty sure, like, I want to say we actually had a 1,000 pip trade in, or no, not trade in a day, not trade in a trade. This is 4 stack though. In a trade, maybe like, no, I lied. 20, what was it? 2020. Was it 20? I think it was 2019 when gold was at like 1,400 to 1,500. I was swing trading back then, and we held a swing trade, or I held a swing trade. But this is like a very long time ago. I don't swing trade like that anymore. But yeah, something like that. So from that to like 10 pips, that transformation. Buy stops and sell stops, maybe. We're not gonna actually have buy stops and sell. We'll have like a buy stop or a sell stop depending on the price action. We're not gonna have both though. That's just degen. I know we want to gamble. Let's get 1,000 likes and we might do it, chat. Go back to swing trading, probably not. Or maybe, I don't know. Maybe lay down the road. Because to be honest, like all the data that we have collected in scalping, we can actually use that data for swing trading later on. So like all the stats that we keep track of here, it's the same shit, right? Like if we just look at the, like if our enters on the 1 minute, it's the same candle movement and candle structure. We're still able to predict that candle that we're looking for, right? So same when it goes for swing trading. You look at the weekly, you're likely able to predict where the weekly is going as well. So it's the same thing. But this is like maybe like later down the line when I don't have time to sit the charts every day. What's happening here? 1 minute candles. 43, 25, 35. Bad audio quality? Is it actually? Let me just figure this shit out real quick, chat. You guys are bugging. This going as well. So it's the same thing. You might be onto something. But now, is that good? Not plugged in all the way. How about that? Bass sound high? Let me know. It's fine though. I'm just gonna roll with this. I'll fix it after stream. Oh, beatboxing off stream. Yo, don't expose, man. Don't expose. What happened with your PAM account? The MAM account, you mean? The MAM account, still going as we speak. Still going as we speak. Still going as we speak. Don't act like you didn't watch all the videos though and knew what happened. You definitely knew what happened. Man, there's more videos about the chat than I even expected. There's like, I thought there was like 2 videos. Everybody made a video. There's like at least 10, 15, 20 videos about it. Cause I only saw the yeah, it's content, yeah. I'm gonna react to it one day. I'm gonna react to it. And then they're gonna react to me reacting to it. That's how it works. Yeah, everyone gonna have an opinion. Did you ever explain why I took 300 trades an hour? Yeah, I did. Multiple times. Multiple times. Yo, I suggest you guys follow the clip channel, what do you call it? The Donvo live channel on YouTube. That's my second channel. If someone wants to drop the link, but that channel, if you subscribe to it, you'll be seeing clips from this stream. So you might see a title that says Don explains why he took 300 trades in an hour, like stuff like that. You'll see it pop up there eventually. But just sub to that channel, like all the questions you're gonna have, you'll see it there on your feed just randomly one day. You ain't gotta watch the stream no more. You just watch the clip trades. You just kind of go there and see a title. Oh shit, Don explains how he took 300 trades an hour. Sick. Don explains what happened to his mental health after the MAM. You know. You see that stuff there. It was so unfair against you. I wouldn't say it was unfair. I can, like, obviously, like, I fucked up, right? So I wouldn't say it's unfair. But what I would say was unfair was when they spread, like, false narratives, false rumors. But it wasn't unfair. It's just content being on the internet. Yeah, this is what it comes with. This is what it comes with. Then I'm like, you know what? Let me just come back. Let me turn it into a positive. And people are like, yo, Don, you gonna act like nothing ever happened? I'm like, no, man. I'm gonna make it known that it happened, and I'm gonna make it known what happens after. Right? That's how we gotta do it. I think about Lorenzo's training strategy. You mean Lorenzo? What is the last name again? It starts with a C. The one, the streamer. I think I know a bit of the strategy. I know he trades more of like the ICT way. I could be wrong, but he trades more of like the institutional way, the institutional strategy. Right. I'm sure it works. All strategies work, Chad. You gotta just find the goods and the bads within all strategies and make it your own, right? You gotta find the goods and the bads from my strategy. You might not like my RR, right? But you might like the way I wait for this candle to close a certain way above a certain range. You might like the way I apply a range 2 breakout. You might like the way I apply a fake out. You might like the way I use the 1 minute with the weekly time frame somehow, some way. Right? But you might not like the risk management part of it. Okay, so take this part from it and then apply it to what you do know and what you think is better. Right? But you don't gotta agree with the entire strategy. You should never. And that goes with any mentor as well, right? You might like the way they draw their fibs. From this person, you might like the way they draw their trend lines. So you take their trend line, you take their fib, you take Don's 1 minute entries, you combine them, and you got yourself a strategy. Alfred, yeah, it might be a low balance. I don't know. Somehow we're still #1 streamer in New York session chat. Kind of crazy to me. I was not expecting this when it came back. I was like, cause yo, even in July, chat, when I was coming back in July, or when I was streaming in July still, our viewers came down to at one point like 1,100, 1,200. I don't know how much we have right now. Let's see. What do we got right now? 1,000 right now. Yo, that SEO stuff. Yo, but like in July, we were at like 1,000. So when I was coming back, I was expecting like at most 500, 400 people still rocking me, still watching my stuff. I wasn't expecting like 1,500, 1,700, 1,100 plus at all. So I was very like surprised. Yeah. So we were on scene, you cook every day for 30 plus day streaks. Yeah, we're still on a 32 win streak, huh? Don't forget that. Or 34. Let me delete trades taken though. Trades taken was taken yesterday. Let's see. Did I join my trade yesterday? Not on the TBJ. I catch up on TBJ this weekend. And also figure out the TBJ compound on stream, because we need to have that intact as well. Yeah, yesterday was the 8th, right? No, 9th. What time is it? Chat, we're not trading until 8:30 in 15 minutes here. So don't expect anything just yet. And there's a high chance, chat, we're gonna get a lot of trades today. By a lot of trades, I mean maybe 2 plus, potentially for 2 plus. If we can grab a news trade, like post news, and then we can grab the trending trade, which is like 9 a.m. or maybe even late 8 a.m. That'll be your 2 trades, and there might be room for 3 if that does happen. That's usually what happens to the last couple FOMCs for me, or NFPs for me, or news in general for me. So yesterday we took a trade at 7:59 New York. It was gold. It was a buy. It was a breakout, I believe. 1 hour flip. It was. Yeah, be right there. 36 pips. You can interrogate TradingView through, or trading through TradingView, connect your account and just hide P&L. I swear I can only do that if I have these brokers, unless they got Blueberry. Could I hide P&L on TradingView? I've never traded on TradingView. And also, if you connect your broker, is there still a delay on your TradingView chart? I would imagine so, no? I still have my MT5 right here. I'm looking at it on this other PC that I have. Oh, I really like that 15-minute time frame on the MT5. How much was that pop? That was 43 pips. Damn. 23, 45. Wow. Okay, you have 2 minutes till 8:20 here. Comics open. Usually for comics open chat before news, it wouldn't be as effective as it would be, because news is in a way at 8:30. On other days though, comics would give you that volume and that directional trend bias that day, right? Like yesterday, for instance, I think comics open popped up. We got the trade right before comics too because I wasn't paying attention to comics, but yesterday you had a pop up with the directional trend at 8:20. Today, I mean, we are moving up right now, but there's news, so it wouldn't be as strong or as effective. Coffee's still on him. I mean, go ahead. Like, go ahead. They would like do all the research. You kind of probably do. All that they're gonna say is that I cooked the mam up. That's all they're gonna say. I blew the mam. I cooked the mam up. And we're still trading the mam today. So when the mam's back, what happens to the video after? If I took a deal, I would be shook. I would be kind of scared, not gonna lie to you. But there's no deal. There's no deal. There's nothing there. All there was just me trading the mam. So that's all they can say about it. I can know there was no deal. You can check my bank account. You can check my banks. You can check anything. No deal. Bet I'm gonna check. If there was a deal chat, I swear you guys would have got split, man. All the mods. $1,100 viewers? Also, if there was a deal, why would I come back to take another deal? I wouldn't have came back and faced the internet. And also, actually, I don't want to get into that. I don't want to get into that. I'm gonna wait till after NFP here. I gotta lock it in, Don. Gotta lock it in. Gotta lock it in here. Got 9 minutes. What do you guys got here? Charts for stream. Let me open up all the charts here. Charts for stream, 7:55. Okay, got this. Got this. Yo, if you guys aren't in the Discord, join the Discord. You can send your charts there and I'll review them on stream. Gold 30-minute time from here. What do you got? Gold, yeah, sell limit and a sell stop. Is this for news? sell limit and a sell stop on the 30. Oh, I think you had a sniper entry. Or close to sniper entry. Okay. I see the idea. The small time frame is creating that somewhat of a bearish structure. I see the idea there. Just be cautious of news, I'll say, to be honest with you. What is this? This is gonna be 30-minute time frame on gold. Oh, nice pineapples. You got 3 positions here. 1 here, 2 here, 3 here. You close right here, which means that, yeah, this is profit. This is profit. This one a little more. This one a lot more. This one a little loss. Should be a net. Nice. Yeah, man. This is actually a pretty good trade. Especially this area on price. I would be hunting if there wasn't for news there too. Like right in these areas here at that 75 mark. Is that where you got in? Yeah, 77, 75. Yep. Pretty good trade. Whoa. What else you got? What is this? Gold 5-minute time frame. Okay, this is just a chart. You have nice levels here. 2682.51. You got 2678.23. 2672 and then 2668. I need more detail on this though. Ghost. What is this? XAUUSD 30-minute time frame. I'm guessing these are positions, or what is this? So I did a thing. What does this mean, Fabian? Oh, 2690 was my full TP. Didn't want to be greedy considering it was Friday already. 2690. What does this mean? Why is there a gap between the candles and this? I'm guessing these are closures. And this is your buy. Yeah, staying in charge for NFP chat. Let's see. MK009. What do you got? Close sell. Oh, close full. I'm tripping. You have a wick fill going up after a bottom wick. This is a good trade. I like this. This idea is pretty solid here. You have no bottom wick. And when you have no bottom wick, then usually the next count comes down to create you that bottom wick. You got it. Now you're making your way up to the top of the range. Pretty good. Pretty good, pretty good, pretty good. What else you got here? Hidden below 0. This is the range you're in. 2675.47, 2686.57. Okay. Can't really do much of that, but you have levels. What do you have next? 70, 2704, 2714. So that's what you got going on next here. What is that off of? Oh, these levels here? That is a possibility. That is a possibility. Yeah, you can say. The only thing I'm worried about is just this candle right here, this closure right here. That's the only thing I'm worried about. Other than that, like technically this is clean traffic up. But I'm trying. What we're trying to figure out today, chat. If you guys missed the morning analysis, we're trying to figure out either if we are gonna come down for a bottom wick, and create liquidity on the daily today. Because if you close respecting, you flip bearish, that'll be your liquidity grab on the daily and the weekly, right, for you to drive up. So I'm trying to figure out if price would hesitate to drive up here, come down for some of a bottom wick structure, and then once you close above, like next week, you can probably pop up. But if news comes out negative, and you pop up today, then there's your push up. And then you're targeting, like, I think my first target is 2685. Next level is 2694, and then eventually you have 2619. I'm going off of just this level here, and then this level, and then this level here, right? So that's what I got going on here for NFP, or lean to NFP. What else you got? Can a daily? Let's see. Let's pull this chart up. Can the daily on gold mirror some previous moves on a daily? 8 hours left. Don't worry about majority of the other market stats, 1530 markings. But yeah, the pink boxes are zones for daily. Yeah, this is what I just mentioned. This is exactly what I just broke down. The only thing I'm worried about is just this. But even this morning, the first initial thought on this was I didn't mark this up as an actual major resistance. I think I marked it up more so off of this. So yeah, high probability. The weekly you have 8 hours as well until closure. And I think that the daily coming up to mirror this traffic to the left is gonna be the 26, 27, 21 zone, which is the weekly wick fill. Chat, keep in mind, what was I gonna say? What was I gonna say just now? What was I gonna say? Was it the weekly? I forgot what I was gonna say. All right, next chart. What is this? Get some nice levels there. 2683, 2679, 26. Oh, that's what I was gonna say. The numbers are expected to come out negative today. So if that is the case and you actually do pop up, then I'll go with the numbers today. Because if you look at the numbers, the predetermined numbers, they're expecting negative numbers. Negative, negative, and neutral. All right, so pay attention. There's 3 folders that come out. It could come out mixed in a minute here. But you do have 3 folders here. 3 major folders that come out at the same time for NFP. All right, chat. So obviously I got no buy stop, sell stops here, but pay close attention to pay close attention to how news comes out here and how price reacts here, because we're gonna get some trades like post news, which is like anywhere from 8:31 till 9, and there could be multiple trades too. So the whole morning was kind of just chilling around waiting for news, but now you have it. Now you have the volume. Now it's just about executing off of price action, and we know what we're looking for too, chat. We mentioned this morning that if you do get a top wick towards, if you do get a push up off the bat, I'm gonna wait for a closure above like 84.90 still. And then if you flip bearish, and that's your position down if price does come down. And if price does close above like 85 or even above 90, then we know where it's going next, right? We know that we're going up towards 2707 next if that does break. But yeah, 15 seconds here, chat, so pay attention, okay? Pay close attention here. 4, 3, 2, and 1. All right, so you had to push down, cool. Still not in yet. Still not in yet. No positions yet. No positions yet. Wow, what was that push there? 110. Okay, so look, the daily candle flip bearish, right? For a bottom wick, is this gonna be a bottom wick or is this gonna be a push up? If this candle were to flip, chat, if this minute candle were to flip, this 30 minute candle were gonna flip, then that'll be a buys up to the top of the range. I think you have a range going up for like, and this is only if you flip, right? If it flips while a buy stop here going up for like 50 pips here. All right. Let's see. Yeah, 35 pips almost. I don't think so. You have 4 seconds left. You're not going to get that yet. Or actually, no, you might. You still have the 5-minute closure here. But the 1 minute looks like it closed bearish here. If you do break the lows, we can start hunting for sells. I think if you do break the lows here, you could probably make your way down here towards like 26.62. I think the range going down here would be roughly like 30 pips here. Because this is a spike, right? Usually when you re-break the lows on the spike, you continue further down towards the next level, which is going to be like 26, 33, 32 levels. All right, chat. So, almost. Let's see, can you break the lows? Almost. All right, filled the wick. Didn't break the lows. Came very close. It's actually closer at MT5 than it is on TradingView. I don't have any sell stops. I'm going to be market executing. All right. All right. How much are stops here if you enter off of here? 100. All right, chat. So, can you get a break of the lows? Can you get a break? get a break? Can you get a break? Can you get a break? Can you get a break? And it's gonna be the break of, I'll say, this low right here, 2665.379. And then targets will be 63-ish levels. All right, chat. So gone positions here. Entries are between 2665.7 to 2665.48. Pay attention to 2663.42. Will likely be closing full if price were to get there. All right. And stops will be the 1 minute candle high up at 2678. That's where I got my stops. And this is like roughly a 20 something pip move. It should pop though. It should be a pop right down towards 63.42. This is just a news trade with the trend. This is what we spoke about all morning. 63.42. All right. Eight pips away. I'm gonna start placing my TP there. What did we get there? Peak? Peak was 26. 13 pips. Peak was 13. I'm still expecting a pop, chat, so that's why I didn't get out yet. And obviously, if price were to like, let me just put my entry on screen here for you guys to see. This was the entry right around here. 65.79. Stops are above here, and then TP is going to be roughly 62, 63 right off of that. And we're just expecting a continuation down. No pineapples just yet, especially off the opening of the news candle. So no pineapples for me just yet. I need to see like structure form. I need to see like price actually develop some structure for me to confirm that we're gonna head down further. All right, no, entries 65.79, it's a little higher. That's it right there. Stops are above here, chat. If we start seeing that price is moving up, and it creates structure on the way up, we'll start managing risk. But until then, I'm still expecting this push down towards that 62 level. And if we are pulling back, right, because earlier we answered there was no pullback here. If we are pulling back and you end up flipping bearish still, then what we could do, look at the 5-2. We can actually extend TP. So we can actually extend TP. Let's see towards where though. I want to say 26, like 61 maybe at most, because you run into some traffic here down here at these levels here. All right, so look, you have a minute closure that closed strongly bullish. The 5 is still bearish, so this can still be a flip. I have no pineapples yet, chat. How far are the pineapples from that end stops? 85. Yeah, I got no pineapples here. Still got one position only. Where just guys entries? I had 65.79, 65.57, 65.43, 65.48 off 4 entries. And stops are 26, let's see, 26.89.3, 1 hour highs. For now, it's hard to stop. This 5 is still open. If this 5 were to close bullish, we can start planning out, but we're still Open for another 2 minutes in this 5. I'll let you guys know we get pineapples too. If you get enough structure, we can actually have a pineapple and we can actually move a stop down to the 78 zone. But right now there's no structure, it's just pushing straight up. There's nothing being formed there for us. Let's see this 1 minute flips though. A minute for a 5 closure. How much is this from here to here? This is 68. BUB around the 67 mark. 70. Okay, 5 minute closes in a minute here, chat. So let's see. I want to see this, if this 5 here can close respecting the 2671 zone, and then we can potentially look for pineapples down to come down for this bottom wick here for 57 pips. Like down towards here. $50 seconds. Yeah, this here on the 1, right? Very minor though. Let's see if this 1 minute actually flips. Still lead to the 5 minute too. How much was this pull here from here to here? 35. And this would have been, oh wow. Okay, not bad. Chat, if you close bullish here too, respecting, right? It's not gonna be a pump off the bat. It's gonna be wait for this next 5 to kind of like create a top wick here, like so. It will likely fill the wick. And if it fills wick, it can still pop all the way up too, right? So you want to see that candle push up, and then you want to see it flip bearish. Once it flips bearish, that'll be your pump down, like this. But you want to see it pop up first. At least towards like 73, I would say, for a pineapple. And if it doesn't pop up, it's fine. We'll have the statement entry. We'll still get out at like 63 levels, 62 levels, but a pineapple would be nice here. A second position. How much is this range down? 41. This was 36. All right, so you're flipping here. Can you fill the ranges at 72.9? All right. Cool, so you filled the ranges. Now, can you actually break below 70.561? I'll say around there will be the entry point. 70.561, right a little further below the flip. What would that be? This will be 84 pip stops then. And this one would be 130 instead. All right, pay attention here, chat. Looking for like 71 or 70.5 in that zone there. I'm pretty sure you get a 1 minute closure below too, around there, if you were to drop down here. What I got here? 71 point. Now what is this? 70.67. Right around here, chat. 6-7-ish. We are second sells, and then this one should be able to mirror this move down here. So a bit 32 there, and if we close there, it'll be negative 16, so roughly like 15, 20. I gotta see a closure here. Where else can we extend our TP here? I'm just gonna leave it. A minute and 30 to a 5 closure. Pay attention here. The 5 might close as well. Bearish, maybe. And if price closes above like 77, chat, we can start managing. 77.322. This file's unclosed bullish here, right? So looking to manage if you start closing above these areas here, chat, this 77.23 zone. Because if you close above these areas here, then looking left, you're likely to mirrors move up, right? All the way up towards like 26.81. 5-no top wick here. 5-no top wick here. Pretty is nothing crazy, but something. I think the 5 close. I'm gonna put this as like slightly above the range too. But let's see how it closes above the 78 zone. 77.9, 78.022. Still looking for the same positions below 72, I'll say. I'm gonna go off of this structure here instead of the yellow zone if you come down there. Damn, man. Are you gonna close above 78? Or is it still a possibility we come down here? Technically, you still got a 15 wick fill, but this 15 doesn't help by closing respecting. It doesn't help at all. It is possible, but it doesn't help. But I'll say if you close below like 71, then I would assume the rest of the wick fill will continue down. It's just this right here that we don't know, right? Between 75 and 72, we don't know. We have no idea of. But if you start closing below 70, 72, then that's your pineapple straight down towards 65. And that'll be a very good position. The 5-no bot, no top wick. Let's see if we can get a move down here towards 71. Top wick broke the previous 15 highs. Flip, it broke the lows, right? But it still struggled at like 75 zones. How much was this instead if we were to get earlier entry? 41 instead. I don't want to grab like moves coming down earlier in this. I don't want to grab like 70, 69 zones. All right, popping up here. You have about a minute left until 5 close your chat. If you close above, you're going to get out. Or you might get out. Hit stops beforehand here. Stop. My stop is exactly 2680.93 here. I'm gonna be manually closing, so I'll let you guys know exactly when I close. What happened here? This 15 came all the way back up. Respecting the zone here. 1 hour candles, same boat. Came up for the top wick here. And we might get out here, chat. Alright, chat. So gonna be 14 seconds. I'm gonna wait for this last 12 seconds, and then once that closes, I'll get out. Okay. So here, I'm still in here. Now I'm gonna set my stop officially. So 2681.77 to the highs. So wait for the 5 to close, and now I'm gonna move my stop up there, and that'll be the stop. This can help us bullish route. All right, chat. Likely gonna hit stops though. I can't really imagine, like, because this move down, if it were to continue down, it would have rejected, like, I'll say like here at 75 at least. But this thing came up. It struggled here for a little bit, right? The 5 closed, no bottom wick or no top wick. It struggled, and then it just made its way up to fill the range. I'm still in there though, but it looks like we're like gonna get hit stops here. My entries were, like I said, my stops just now. Entries were 65.57, 65.43, 65.48, and then TPs were set, and then stop loss just got set. All right. Unless we get what do you call that? Unless we get a plot twist here, which could still happen if the 5 closes below 72 here. But I have no entries here, chat. None right now. Is there a possibility we get a plot twist today? Oh wait, I'm missing a stop loss. 2681.72. Alright, the 5 reflipped here, chat. The 5 reflipped here. I think the 1 hour officially has a top wick now too. This is still a very long shot. I think you're still gonna have to make your way down below 71 here for a second position. But if you do, that's like a very high probability you retrace the entire range down, because you can see there's a 1 hour top wick being formed, which is insane if it is. But this is a very long shot. This 5 is still open. This could just be a bond wick for you to drop up, right? It's at the same level where it struggled at. But now we have hard stop set. I wouldn't use anything above here. Right, you see the 5 still open here. Closing back above it. This is the ranger and the 5. This 5 can just flip still, right? And 77. Oh. 77. 77. I'm gonna go over this trade again after this too. It looks like we're gonna get stopped out here. 5-minute flip. You see the 5-minute bottom wick. It's flipping bullish. You have a 5-minute wick fill. $14 pips, man. And you have the 4-hour closure. How's the 4 going to close? Bullish. Yeah. If the 4 is going to close bullish, I would assume the next 4 is going to drop as well here, chat. And stopped out. Yeah, we're out. Yeah, chat. So we're out here. So there's that trade. Let's see, what did I do today? What is this? I think that's, what percent is this? And we're gonna review the trade, chat. I'm gonna see where else we could have managed risk here at. I believe that's 75 level, but I was really looking for above the 78 level, just because, so right here, just because a closure above here would have, where is it? Where is it based off of? So here, like a closure above like 2678.18, that would have been the closure for me based off of like the structure here. Because like this candle closing here, right? On the 5, you can see as a closure above or below. But in this sense here, it can still come up for a top wick and it can still flip bearish, right? So it's just enough room here plus an extra confirmation of a closure to indicate that that isn't going to happen. Because the last thing I would have wanted to see here was maybe like something like this happening, and you make your way down, and that's your positions again, right down there. But that didn't happen. You end up just popping straight past like 78 level. Earlier on when we were in profit, I wasn't really planning to like move stocks to break even yet, because I was really expecting the actual range fill to come down towards like 63.4, 63.5 or 62 levels overall, coming down towards that zone there. So I had that level as well. What else was there? And I want to say that's it. We're actually expecting a move up first for news 2 today. A move up, then a move down. The move down came first. So I'm like, okay, cool. As you started to come down, I wanted to get that pop on the root breakout lows, right? Which is down the root breakout lows. I think if we had an entry off of these minute candles instead, obviously that would have given you a bit more range, but yeah, we got stopped out. And then when it came to managing my stops, right, I usually manually close my stops. So that's why, like, with the first time it tapped it and it pulled back, I just moved my stop. Like, I actually put my stop intact now for the break at highs, but we got out. But the difference is only like what, like 3, 4, 5 pips, something like that. That's the stop. I can't really say, like, going back I would have closed here too, to be honest, because I was looking to see if you can close above like 77, and that was above here, and that was it. For pineapples, there's no other idea for pineapple. For pineapples, you would have had to, like, at least break in, you would have had to close below like 72 levels to 69 levels, and that didn't happen, right? But what did I do today? So what's my balance on this? Stops were a lot wider today too, but that was because there was a news candle, right? And that was the most, like, largest stop I could have had today. I think I went a bit over 10. Right, I think, let's see. Actually, I think I went well over 10. That's it for my day. I don't think we're taking anything else here. Yeah, 13% today. Okay, that's not the worst, because the last time we took a 13% loss was the 12th of December, and then ever since then we took a 9% loss the next day, but then ever since then till today we are up. Let's see. We / the mem / me, this channel, we're up 32% since that last loss. So yeah, so 30% loss. That's it though. That's been, like, roughly the average, like, losses for us. 13% on November 26th, 15% on the 12th of 2nd December, 9% on the December 3rd, and 7% loss on the 20th of December. So it's usually around that price point. I did go a bit over by 3% today, but yeah, that's it for me today, chat. That's it for me till Monday. If you were to grab those sells, we were able to, like, close it, then there likely would have been more positions afterwards on the way up, especially, like, here too. Because, like, remember when we were expecting, like, the wick fill here between, like, 71 and 73? That would have been the second buyout if we closed the sells, right? So that would have been 2 positions for a day, and that would have been it. But that didn't happen. But I think now it's it for me. You have a 4-hour closure here. It looks like this was some type of liquidity being grabbed, and you may actually make your way up now towards, like, that 23.90 or 26.90 zone, 0.5. So you have that going up here. But I'm done for a day. The only thing I'll be cautious about here is maybe just, like, these levels here. But it looks like you close in the 4-hour above it, right? Above that A2 zone, chat. What else can we say? Yeah, so 13%. Let me put that negative 13% here. 13%. And there's a streak. Oh shit, my bad. 13%. 5-0 and 1. So we're down 10% for the week still, right? For the week still. Now everyone's gonna say, yo, Don, you risked 10% today, or 13, you lost 13% today, you only made 5% for the week. How is that gonna work? If you look at it from the weekly scale, obviously in this sense here, it doesn't look good, right? But like I just told you guys, from when I started keeping track of it till now, we're still up 32%. So If you look at it from this week, right, that's how it's gonna look. But look at it from the last like 30 days or the last like 60 days, that's what it'll be. Is time to disappear again? Not gonna disappear again. What are you talking about? We're still gonna be here every day. We're gonna be here on Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday. If you can't handle the heat, if you can't handle like the drawdown, if you can't handle the stops, then you can adjust the way you want to adjust it, right? You can adjust it however you want to adjust it, but that's how I would have taken a trade. That's how I would have closed. That's how I would have managed it, on or off stream, right? And we took a loss of 13%. We taking 30% losses playing the times before 2 chat, right? Now on Monday when we come back, are we gonna make back 13%? No, we're not. We're gonna make maybe like 1%, maybe 5%, maybe 4%, depending, but we're not gonna make back 13. So you gotta just continue showing up and then keep taking your bits and pieces, and over time you'll collect those 13%, that 13% back. But it's gonna take time. It's gonna take, I think the last time it took us, let's see, the last time it took us to make back the 13, we lost 15 and then 9 the next day. So that is around 25% we lost. It took us maybe, how many trading days did it take us to make back 25%? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 trading days, 4 trading days. We did 5%, 5%, 5%, 9%, 3%, and 4. So each day is different. I know this week our high was only 1.9%, right? But each day the market is different, which gives us more opportunity to grab more or less depending on how things look. So yeah. So I'm just trying to explain that because a lot of people don't understand that, and it's just gonna take some time, right? It's gonna take some time to like really, until we get all the stats on stream out, and then we're gonna work through it. Whatever it is, we're gonna work through. Just adjust on stream and adapt like we have been, right? Over time. Let me put this down. Phone sells negative 13. What was it exactly? 13.14%. Did anyone like actually close full there at the bottom? Yeah, if you don't like the way I trade, don't follow watch. But we've been doing the same thing, chat, for 4 years now on stream. And every trade we take a loss, every time we take a loss, it's gonna be RR, this and that. But this is our 60-second straight loss on stream, or 60-second not straight, 60-second loss on stream, right? Out of 352 wins. And it's only week 1, chat. It's only week 1 of the year, man. So if you ever tweak in week 1, bro, I can only imagine how you guys will tweak by like July, August. But I'm gonna keep showing up. Monday I'll be here. Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday I'll be here again. But today we're done. We're officially done. No more chit chat. It's at the bottom. I just covered an intro stop loss. You continue to follow the rules. That's all I really could do here. The last thing I do is crash out today and take 300 trades. You know, that's the last thing we want to do here. First loss out the way, we locked in. Yeah. What else can I say? What other questions can I answer about the trade, chat? I'll still take the trade again. But I think the only thing maybe differently was just management there. That maybe that 73 zone after this bottom wick here. It's obviously easy to look back at it now, right, and say what you would have done, but instead of like at least looking for ways to manage at 78, maybe 73. We'd have to pip difference. What would it have been? 90. That would have been maybe like 8% or 7%. I know we cover all loss out of stream. No, this is all on stream. I'm not trading after stream. It's all gonna be on stream. This whole year from the recovery, everything's all gonna be on stream. It's gonna be full transparency. And I said the first stream chat, it's not gonna be one smooth ride to the top, right? I know we started off 4-0, but it's not gonna be just one perfect winning streak, you know? Just because afternoons I think it was pushed off some quicker. Yeah, obviously that would have worked, right? Stops the break even, but usually afternoons when you get that directional pull, I think the problem today was just like the top wick. If you had a pre-move up above like here before news, you had a spike up and then it moved down, this would have been the directionals for the day. I assumed it was going to be a direction just because of how everything else looked. Like just because of how like this like you're tapping into these ranges here. I thought the day was going to flip bearish. I think the day did flip bearish at 1.2. But I was expecting that and just expecting a continuation down towards like 58, 62, 63 in those zones there, at least minimum. Like at least until here before you get some type of reaction back up, right? But it came down to only like 63. So I mean, who knows? Maybe you can still re-break the lows here. This 4 candle is the leg candle. Who knows, actually? It actually might. Who knows? Who knows? I agree with you though. 100% I've seen teams trade and do the same thing. Yeah, which doesn't mean like every single time we'll do the same thing, right? We learn, we grow. So it's only week 1. Take note of this trade and move on to the next trade. That's all I could really do. Why recording percentage? I've been recording percentage all month. Yes, there was only percentage too. Because I take 4 lots, 4 positions, right? And percentage shows way more transparency than pips. Pips could be anything. A win rate could be anything, right? But percentage is what matters. So for the year, I think we're down 7%. I'm pretty sure. So look, negative 13.14%. We're down 7.99%. So depending on how next week goes, you know, could be could make it all back. Could take us 2 weeks. Who knows? But the last thing you want to do right now is put a time limit on it on when you need to make it back. Might come down. Yeah, I don't know. I'm off though. I can't, man. I can't. I already broke my 10%. I broke past it too. I can't. I cannot. Anyone blow their account? Not me. You? Yeah. Let's see. What's my lot for the next trade then? I think that goes down. And what do you have next week, chat? Monday. New loans Tuesday, core PPI, Wednesday, CPI, core PPI, CPI. Thursday, core retail sales. Friday, you got building permits. All right. That's my lot then. And as the year goes on too, I'm looking to lower the risk, right? We started off with 15 this year, and then now we're at 10%. Or not this year, the last couple months. Now we're at 10% for the day. So it really depends on how big the stops are, because in this case the stop was massive, so that's why one trade was 10. But like I traded like yesterday or day prior when the stops were a bit smaller, it's usually like 5-6% instead. What else can I do? 550 pips. So we didn't finish off the week in the bank, chat, but we learned a lot today, so that is a W. That's something you can take away from it. You gotta make the bads out of the goods, as hard as it may seem. Balance is okay. Yo, we're doing the webinar this week. What else can I do this weekend? Should we do a simulation chat? Yo, wait, what do you think about that? That is okay. Lots we're seeing for an extra, the looks of it. Eight more loss like this and account was blown. Yeah, but how often do you lose 8 straight? At least be logical with it, you know? You gotta just like be I don't know if it's thinking positive or being like delusional or understanding your strategy, understanding the way you trade, but you can't just say like 8 more losses like this and the account's blown. It's like, how often do I really lose 8 straight? And 8 straight losses are 10% losses, right? Because it's so easy for someone to say 8 more losses like this and account is blown, assuming that each loss is 13%, but the same way that a lot of people assume that each win is only 1%. It's only week 1, right? The highest trade this week was 1.7. It really depends on the markets, man. So the only thing I'll say is just like, all you really gotta do is continue showing up, and you will see throughout the year the difference in our average wins and losses, and you will see a better idea of what our streaks are, right? We just ended a 32 win streak on stream, or 34 on stream. Not that it counts because this year's new year, but like, you know, you'll have a better idea of it. This is only week 1. Week 1 of being back on stream. Yo, Sims session this weekend. Let's see, how many likes do we have? Yo, could it actually be a mirror up today? That would be insane. 300 pips to go. Damn. You know what a sim session is? Go watch my YouTube video on simulation. The simulation video is where I did the I just simulated like a week of trading on the simulation, and it's just like a way to like refresh your brain and just like you can sample size and you can back test your strategy, whatever you want to do in a simulation. It's like trading a demo account, but you can go back to whatever period you want. Usually I go to a random period in time. I just go off of that. I pick a random month, random year, and I trade a whole week on it. The same way I would trade like this New York session. So I'll just trade the New York session. That's it, chat. I think that's it. I'm trying to see what else we can talk about today, but I think that's it. That's it. Alright, man. Y'all gonna make these memes, man. Y'all gonna make these memes. Man, I can't wait to the end of the year, chat. I cannot wait. You know what, bro? I'm not gonna get off, man. We gotta make some beats or some shit. Yo, the year just started, chat. Give me a break, man. Praying for my downfall from the first week. We get a compound calculator. I haven't added it yet. If I do add it, I think that Discord will be the first to know about the compound spreadsheet if it'll get added. Just join the Discord and look for the DVS resources section. The section right here, you'll get all the information about what we drop and whatnot. Just turn notifications on for that channel. Shout out to Reza. Should we go back to previous count stops? Yes. Honestly, in this trade, it was the 1 hour stop. It was a wide stop today just because of news, right? That was a push down. We caught the end of it. So no, I'm done. I'm done. Even if I do sell now, right? Let's say we make like 4% this trade. Just live the trade another day. Come back Monday. Fresh mindset. What up, M10? That's a chat. That's it, man. That's all I can really discuss today. Don't know what else to answer. Oh, JW trades. Are you gonna put out the same IG posts? This is how I know you guys are so new to the channel and everything that we do, because were you not here for 4 years? Nikesh? Nikesh? 4 years straight or 3 years straight, we showed terminal. And not even just terminal, wins and losses. God damn. It's like you, no, I don't even blame you, to be honest with you. I don't even blame you, because it's called PTSD and trauma from other mentors and gurus. That's what that is. You would assume that I would only show my wins and not my losses, because 90% of people do that on social media, because they only show their highs and not their lows. So when you come on, it's like, it's speaking out of PTSD, like, yo, this mentor did that. Is that what you're gonna do too, bro? I know that's what you're gonna do. It's speaking, that's where it's coming from. But that's why we did it. That's why we did it, because I got tired of that shit as well. And that's why I did show my terminal until I got, you know? So I can't show terminal more for safety purpose, safety reasonings. Like at one point the balance was, I'll say, at an amount where I could, but I can't anymore, bro. Like that, I did it for transparency for 3 years. I tried. I did it out of goods, and then I don't know if I can. Maybe one day again later on, but it's not even worth it, man. If I'm already showing my trade on the screen, I'm already showing you guys proof that it's going on to my account with the signals channel. That copies the actual trade, and then we keep a journal. What more do you want, right? Because that's like the trades taken on stream. Everything is recorded live. Management, stop losses, putting stop loss in place, TP, everything is live. So what more is there to do? You know what I mean? Because it's not going to change your life, I'll tell you that. It's not going to make a huge difference for you. What are you going to think? What are you going to say after? Oh, wow, I trust this guy now. He's so transparent. You're still going to complain about the negative RR gang. Terminal only, people on YouTube can, but only IG post is available to more viewers. Yeah, Nikesh. But you know what? Have I shown my terminal since July for my wins? I haven't. I have not shown a single profit on my Instagram this year. I've just been showing my links to my channel and funneling stuff to the Discord. I haven't even showed profit. So if I didn't show profit, why do I gotta show the losses now? Because you want to see me lose. You want to see the downfall. That's what you want to see. What are you guys saying? 2,700? Yeah, man, I can't even look at this no more, man. I ain't gonna lie to you, chat. It would have been a crazy day, though. It would have been a crazy day. You would have had a lot of positions on the upside too after like that level got broken. But it is what it is, man. It is what it is. The last thing I want to do is now is chase a loss. If you want to read hate and give it back. No, I'm not giving hate back. I'm telling you what's happening. I'm trying to explain like the logical thinking behind it. All right, yo. Chat. That's it, bro. What time is it? 9:27. You have NYC in 2 minutes here. And yeah, I'll see you guys on Monday. I don't think we're doing a simulation this week. Maybe it was a great week we would have. Maybe. But I'm doing the weekly analysis in Discord. I'll give you guys that. And then I'll see you guys Monday. And then we got next week. Alright, chat. Enjoy the rest of your day, man. It was like, we can't say it was a rough day. It was Alright, but we'll be here on Monday. So, I love you guys, bro. I appreciate you guys being here today. Leave a like and sub to the channel. We took a lot of sleep, but I hope you guys learned from it. I learned from it, and we'll move on. Alright, chat. Laters. I'll see you guys on Monday.
The career's more at stake when you in your prime. Fuck that paper, baby, my face on the dotted line. I've been flying out of town for some peace of mind. It's like always, they just want a piece of mind. I've been focused on the future, never on right now. But I'm sipping that kombucha, either pink or brown. I'm the one that introduced you to the you right now. Oh my God, that be babe. Well, alright, tryna fight in the night, come alive. Ain't it sneak? Ain't it?
Pop my shit, get it live, hold up, yeah, you try to come around back the shit, they popping your tires, hold up, shit, 100 round, feeling like I'm on team, playing both sides of these hoes, shot out on fucking your friend, I've been going crazy, shot, I've been in the deep end, she not in the scene, she just tryna go, I just been asking my hoes. I just been dripping my hoes. Just holding out a level shot. I got these hoes on their toes. I put the bitch on the road. She tryna fuck on the I got this hoe with me. She tryna show me something. I got flows for days. Niggas ain't on nothing. Me and my bro like they ain't know we on one. We in the spot going crazy until the sun up. You worried about that hoe done chose up. Pistol solid in the kitchen, can't get the cold up. Fuck these niggas ain't like they know it. Double O kick, this shit be told up. Switch out the bed, these niggas get rolled up. Everybody
Alright. So, we got some positions here. I'm playing, chat. Peace out, love you guys.